Wow. Approved. Whoa.
A la verga.
Whoa.
Eso.
Pa' que ya.
Solteando el lomo.
Me gusta. Me gustaría tener un espacio con Woxy, es lo único que me falta. Algo con un juego así de verdad.
So, it's pretty cool the people you meet in the dance game community because it gives you new experiences and things you don't expect, you know. You go to a different country to maybe go to a tournament, but you come away with memories, new friends, new experiences. And well, that brought us to an apartment in Santiago. Check it out. Oh, sorry, carry on. I ignore me, I'm not here. So check it out, look. Look who that is, right there. Who's that? He's standing there, look at that. Famous guitar player. Look at that, that's the bass player. Well, they're all guitars. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, the bass. There's a bass over there, there's a bass over there, there's a bass over there.
Okay, let's have a look. Famous bass player.
This is my crib.
I stand corrected.
This is the.
But there is a lot of guitars.
Yeah.
So you know Dave.
That's a bass. This is a bass. That one is a bass also. And this one is a bass also.
So you know Davey 504.
Checkmate.
Okay. Bass. Oh.
Slap like now.
What? Slap. Oh, there's a DDR arrow in there. Look at that.
Oh yeah. This is the memento of the place where I used to play. Actually.
Really?
They tore it down. I don't know where I'm making any money.
Oh, that's so
And I
cool.
stole it.
That's you have to steal things sometimes. We all have to steal things. So yeah, famous bass player in Chile. It's cool, isn't it? But what else is going on over here? What's going on? Oh, I see one cayenne. Ah, Peruvian food. We have a Peruvian chef. We have a chef from Chile. And look at that. We have lomo saltado, papas. I made those. No, I'm only joking. I didn't make anything. Pico de gallo, but a version from Chile. It's all looking good, isn't it? Wow. And look at me helping. Wow. This is how I help. This is my contribution.
I feel like a noob. Bueno, siempre me pasa que yo cocino siempre en todos lados y bueno, me llegó del cielo,
Wow. Spaghetti with huancaína sauce.
Fettuccine.
Fettuccine. Oh, you're right. Yeah, it is fettuccine. It's hard to tell with the sauce. Fettuccine, beefy, cebolla, tomate, cilantro, huancaína salsa. Muy bien.
¿Cómo se dice cilantro en inglés? No, ¿verdad?
Coriander. Coriander, pero esa es la semilla. Cilantro se le puede decir igual.
Oh.